Welcome to a special edition of Inside Censhare. This time the product is the star. Say hello to our consumer, Thomas. Thomas is at a trade show looking for a solution. He passes by an interesting booth and he receives a notification on his smartphone via a beacon. This sparks off the Internet of Things and a light comes on to show him the way, and at the same moment a mobile push notification gives him an extra nudge in our direction, showing him the latest product offers. He clicks on the notification and is guided through a personalised mobile buying journey, placing items in his basket. Thomas continues his day, enjoying the trade show, knowing he will return later when he gets to his laptop. Returning to the web portal, this seamless customer experience continues, as despite switching channels, we're able to continue engaging Thomas. A push notification appears welcoming him back and guides him to the products that he's already selected and others that may be of interest to him. Thomas selects an additional product, and in real time, all of his touchpoints are updated. He gets a mobile notification, and the mobile app shows the latest added product, enabling Thomas to leave his desk and continue this transaction on his phone, or complete it on his laptop. He checks out, and we have another satisfied customer. But what is behind this seamless digital experience? It is, of course, Censhare, our universal smart content management solution that is easy to use and optimized for real time. Using a semantic database that maps these complex content relationships, we're able to simply match content to the consumer's buying journey across multiple channels. And it's not just mobile and the website. Social channels are an increasingly important part of the buyer's journey. Through a simple plugin, our integration to Facelift, Europe's largest social marketing management platform, enables you to orchestrate all of your social media content marketing, publishing directly to Facebook and Twitter. So thank you for joining us on this special edition of Inside Censhare, a brief glimpse of what our product does for our clients.